Nature, the wilderness, the great outdoors. Other synonyms for not in front of your computer. Nature is everything that's not inside. It's basically dirt with a lot of other things in it. Nature is a constant life and death struggle for the animals in the forest and also other places. Study the plight of the turtle for such an example.
Turtles are just amazing creatures. They can swim, they can walk, they like to live by the stream and lounge in the rocks, bathing in the sunlight, because turtles are cold-blooded, which means that their blood is literally ice cold. It's like iced tea, basically. See, the turtle, in fact, is actually very slow. It's a very slow creature. It has a shell for protection, but normally that can't save it from one of the dangerous perils of living in nature.
Another small woodland animal is the hedgehog. Here we find it rustling amongst the leaves.
Hedgehogs are just the greatest things ever. I mean, look at that thing. It's got the spikes, got the ears, got the nose. It's adorableness packed into a little 2-inch thing. Look at it playing in those leaves.
The hawk. It likes to sit on the branch, and then jump off the branch, and then it will flap its wings, and it will fly. I just love the hawk so much. I just love the hawk.
The majority of the hawk's prey has migrated for the winter, much like this bush shown here. The bush is migrating south to escape from the frigid temperatures and predators such as the skunk that feed upon its berries.
The skunk is usually thought of as a crude creature, mostly due to their main attack, but underneath this gruff exterior, the skunk is actually a creature of sophistication and class.
The black bear, looking for food.
The bear, it is a very territorial creature. It likes to have its territory, and then it likes to search for the food on the ground to eat it. But don't take it from me. Take it from the real, noted wildlife biologist, Darcy Gingrich.
Yes!
Little does he know, he's happened upon a grizzly bear territory. The two animals make threatening poses at each other. The black bear looks to be about to make the first strike. A bit closer to the civilized world is where this little creature makes its home.
Oh, the raccoon. It lives in the forest. It has stripes over its face and on its whole body. It helps it to blend in with its surroundings. Look at this. It looks like there's no raccoon in this footage. But look at it closer. Wait until it moves. Ah, there's the raccoon. Oh yes, it blends in perfectly with its surroundings. The raccoon can be somewhat of a greedy creature. They are known for stealing the shiny objects.
Hey, no, wait!
All these creatures work together to make the ecosystem of the whole world, or something like that. I'm not really sure. They pay me for my golden voice, not my knowledge. In conclusion, nature.